ng koneksyon daw, allegedly.
Sir, yung office nyo din po ba? Yung opisina nyo po, check nyo din kung possible nga ba talaga yung murder charges against the owners of Allison?
Well, I'll have to consult my legis team kung possible yun. Kasi mas gusto ko murder, mataas na kaso para wala na silang bail. Kasi paulit-ulit na lang eh. Meron nang namatay dati, meron ng mga nasugatan. And I don't want this to happen anymore. At para it will send a signal to other shipping company owners na mag-ingat na sila na wag nilang gayahin itong Allison na padalos-dalos at burara. Ika nga. I'm sorry for the word.
Sir, hindi kayo na-satisfy at all dun sa mga naging sagot ng Allison, the representative nila dun sa hearing?
No, no. Maraming instances na kinukontra sila ng mga survivors. Marami silang sinasabi na tumulong sila. Pero yes, tumulong sila pero hindi naman talaga 100% na tulong na satisfied yung mga survivors. So I go for the survivors. Kung anong sinabi ng mga survivors, I would believe the survivors better than the Allison. Kasi Allison, paulit-ulit na lang sinungaling dahil paulit-ulit yung insidente ng pagka-disgrasya ng kanilang barko o involved sa accidents.
Sir, is it okay to ask other issues po?
Yes.
Sige. Sir, maybe get your comment lang, sir, dun sa latest Chinese embassy statement saying that some senators continue to threaten and intimidate some foreign embassy, including them. Are there efforts from the Senate to threaten and intimidate po the Chinese embassy?
I haven't heard of any senators threatening the Chinese embassies. Ewan ko, baka katang-isip lang nila. Meron ba kayo sa media, meron ba kayo narinig na mula sa isang senador na binabantaan yung China? I don't think so. Unless kung meron akong makita, mabasa, marinig. Soundbites.
That you passed is not in any way threatening them, sir. You
No,
think?
it's not. The resolution is no way a threat to any members of the Chinese embassy.
Sir, how should we treat them as a guest knowing na medyo nagiging disrespectful nga po, sabi ng ilang mga senador, towards lalo sa mga senador din po?
I think the ambassador of the Philippines to China and the Chinese ambassador to the Philippines should sit down, involved siguro natin yung DFA, para pag-usapan kung ano ba talaga ang dapat gawin para ma-ease yung tension. Kasi ngayon, medyo tense na tense ng both sides, especially dun sa nangyari sa West Philippine Sea. Ano ba dapat gagawin? Ano ba dapat yung mga protocol na we have to observe, the both countries have to observe para itong nangyaring tension ngayon between the politicians and the government people in the executive and the people in the Chinese embassy ay hindi na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng gusot.
Sir,